41st competitive test. The State Bank of Pakistan is trying to check inflation through just one instrument, the interest rate, based on the theological belief that the issue is demand, ignoring other, more critical factors fueling inflation today. Full stop. There are both demand pull and cost push factors influencing inflation, and this instrument is being expected to achieve multiple objectives. Full stop. The sources of demand in the economy are households, the corporate sector and government, who in turn receive money from different sources. Full stop. The role of each source and what can be done about it is somewhat limited, especially because the acts of one can nullify the actions of others, at times as a result of unanticipated developments. Full stop. New paragraph. Speaking to the media on Monday, he considered a close confidant of party supremo Nawaz Sharif termed the former ruling party terrorists and said a dialogue cannot be initiated with the party. Full stop. I think there should be no negotiations with terrorists and who conspired against the state. Full stop. Holding talks with PTI chairman Imran Khan is akin to comprising on national interests, who is a federal minister without any portfolio, said. Full stop. We should never hold negotiations with the beneficiaries of the global powers, he said, and added a dialogue on the wishes of someone should not be held in any case. Full stop. New paragraph. The event will conclude with the signing of a memorandum with new dialogue partners. Full stop. The leaders will then hold various bilateral meetings with their respective counterparts from other nations. Full stop. We was assured that Pakistan would continue to work closely with Moscow to further deepen cooperation in the realms of food security, energy and people to people contacts, adding that the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO had opened new vistas of cooperation and coordination with Russia. Full stop. Earlier, in a video shared on Twitter, he said he would hold meetings with his counterparts from Russia and Uzbekistan. Full stop. But would there be a chance encounter with his Indian counterpart, or a courteous handshake, perhaps, question mark. No news on that front. Full stop.